So in today's video, I'm going to show you the dark side of owning an old vehicle. It's not always pretty. I don't like that. If you've ever owned an old car or truck, you're gonna identify with this video. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to show you today we're going to have lots of adventures. You guys are going to tag along with me when I break down on the side of the road in my old C10. And then we're going to go to the car wash. We're going to just have the truth is, I'm not sure what this video is going to be about. I've got a lot of footage of me just messing with my C10. I did break down. If you saw my last video, which was a long time ago, you know that I moved and I was in the process of moving my C10 up here to my new place. I actually did that. I had some trouble, which you're going to see. And then in that video, I told you that I was going to get the hood painted on the C10 before I moved it. Well, that didn't happen. I decided to wait, which I will kind of explain later on. But in this video, like I said, I took the truck to the automatic car wash, which was fun because the windows leak. You'll see that. And then my dad and I kind of cleaned up the hood. So this video is just got a lot of different things in it. So I guess you can just call it a kind of a vlog with the C10. So if you want to tag along, stay tuned, but enjoy the ride. So I came outside for a second. It's really bright out here, but I just wanted to show you, as you can see, I do have both the C10 and the Camaro in the garage, finally. And check this out. My neighbor's got a good looking project over there. See the opportunity present itself. I'm gonna head over and talk to him about it. Made it. We ran out of gas. But luckily we got close, so we came to Walmart, picked up a gas can, and we're going back. Well, we gotta go to the gas station. This is the perfect day. Oh look, let's see what started to rain. Still sitting there. I will stay in the truck. Too cold out there for me. The joys of old trucks. Oh yeah, okay, now he's making a funnel. Kind of a Pepsi bottle. 3 hours later. Day has started. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Back together again. Alright, we're taking the C10 to the car wash. I don't know how that's gonna go. At the Pro. Gotta get some point of view footage for you. Guess I could be.
Gotta go left up there. Now that's more like an orange sound.
Oh,
Sort of that. Yeah.
I had to stop and get gas. Just get that going and then head to the car wash. Hoping that the water doesn't leak through these windows. Surely, I guess it'll start.
Maybe.
About a fuse. Hope it don't tear the paint off.
I hope you don't get too wet.
I'm thinking if it does come in, that'd be good content. Does it?
That head don't do this.
Yeah. The roof don't act. It's raining. It's raining. I don't even want to try to turn the windshield wipers on.
No.
Rust.
I bet it did.
That's
Right there at that stoplight. To the left is inland ways.
get it somewhat cleaned up. But here's the problem. As you can see, the hood has got some surface rust. And if you clean it, I mean, it cleans off pretty good just with some water. But I don't know exactly the best route to take to clean it up. I'd like to just clean it up. I was gonna paint it, but I've decided not to worry about it. I'd like to paint the whole truck soon. I'm gonna try just put a little elbow grease to it, some water. You got any soap on it, or is that just water? Is that just water? Okay, just water and a rag. It's not a microfiber, but I'm really not worried about this hood because it's not even painted. It's just what it came from the factory. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. Gotta get in there. A little elbow grease. Alright guys, so thanks for tagging along all the way through the video. Stay tuned because I've got a problem with the Camaro. It's actually broken. It's got less than 4,000 miles on it, and there's already some engine trouble. So I'm going to talk about that probably in the next video. The weather is hopefully about to start warming up, so hopefully we can get back to doing some fun stuff. So again, thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you want to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.